Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method to receive money from Google AdSense. Let's get started. First, click on Payments tab, then choose Payment Info. On how you get paid, click Add Payment Method. Click Add New Wire Transfer Details to add your bank details. Name on Bank Account. This is the name that you use to create your bank account. Insert your bank name. Insert your bank's SWIFT code. You can find your bank's SWIFT code on the internet or go to your bank to get them. In this case, I go on Google to get my bank SWIFT code. Paste the SWIFT code in. Insert your account number. In this case, I use Visa card, so I insert my card number in. Retype your account number. Click Save to save your payment method. After save, you can see your payment method with your bank details. From now on, You will receive your payment after you reach the threshold by the end of each month from between 22nd to 26th. Thank you for watching. Hope this video is helpful. If you find this video is helpful, please click subscribe to watch more videos.